Good morning, dear students. Now today we are going to continue with the class with the chapter 4, solution of the system of the linear equation using the inverse of the matrix. Now student, this method is very important as this type of the question can be asked in a 4 or a 6 marks. Okay. Before the last year it was asked for the 6 marks, but maybe from the last year this type of question can be asked in 4 marks. Now let me see what is the method first we are having. So we are considering the system of the equation, that is a1x b1y plus c1z is equals to d1. Then second one, a2x b2y plus c2z is equals to d2. a3x b3y plus c3z is equals to d3. Now students, consider the matrix A. A is the matrix which can be obtained by taking the coefficients of x, y and z. So it is a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. X is the matrix of the unknown variables, that is x, y and z. And B is equals to the matrix of the constants, that is D1, D2 and D3. Now as you know these all things, then this system of the linear equation can be written as Ax into B, right? Ax is equals to B. So this system can be written like this. So that is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C3, A3, B3, C3 into X, Y, Z is equals to this. You can see student multiply करके देख लीजिए a1 b1 c1 into x y z. So a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equals to d1. So this is our first equation. Then similarly you can obtain second and third. तो आपकी जो सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन है ये वाला और ये जो मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन है, दिस बोथ आर द सेम. सो नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. सो बिफोर दिस, फर्स्ट इफ यू कंसिडर दैट दिस सेट A is non-singular. अगर नॉन सिंगुलर है तो क्या होगा आपके पास, दैट A इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट. सो इफ A इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट देन यू हैव Ax is equals to B. So we can multiply, inverse exist है, so we can multiply with the both side. So A inverse into X, here A inverse into B. We know that A inverse into A, that is equals to identity matrix. So I into X is equals to A inverse into B. So X is equals to A inverse into B. So we get X is equals to A inverse into B. Now as we know that if A is a non-singular, then A inverse exists and inverse of a matrix is unique. So this matrix equation provide us the unique solution for the given system of the equation as inverse of the matrix is unique. Inverse हमारे पास unique है, that's why we can find out the unique solution for this given matrix equation. So student, ये हुआ आपका method to solve the system of the linear equation, right? And when the unique solution exists, then the system of the linear equation is known as a consistent. You know that student, you अपने consistent और non consistent आपने सीखा हुआ है आगे. If the inverse solution we are getting, it is unique, then the system of the linear equation is known as a consistent. Okay, the system is consistent. And if the solution is not unique, that means the solution does not exist, or there are infinitely many solutions, then the system of the equation is known as a inconsistent. But in this year, the inconsistency of the system of the linear equation is reduced from the syllabus. तो ये वाला टॉपिक हम डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं. We will see only the consistency. तो consistency का मतलब क्या होगा, that it has a unique solution. और unique solution आपको कब मिलेगा, जब A inverse exist करेगा. So A inverse into B. So और A इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट कब करता है, जब A नॉन सिंगुलर है, दैट मीन्स डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0. So whenever we are having a system of the linear equation, first we will check determinant of A is not equals to 0. If it is not equals to 0, then you are getting the unique solution for the given system of the linear equation. So this is the concept of to solve the matrix equation. So let me see student the first equation. Now here you have a first equation. Question is examine the consistency of the system of the equation in exercise 1 to 6. Now students, आपके जो टेक्स्ट बुक में क्वेश्चन है उन्होंने वही पूछा, इतना ही पूछा हुआ है that examine the consistency of the system of the equation in exercise 1 to 6. But I have added this that it is consistent, then find the solution. तो हम उसका solution find करेंगे as question is not asked there, because in this way you can find more examples. So first हमें करना क्या है, examine the consistency. तो कंसिस्टेंसी चेक करने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए, इसकी वैल्यू निकालिए. इफ इट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0 देन कंसिस्टेंसी, इफ इट इज इक्वल्स टू 0, इट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0 देन कंसिस्टेंट, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट देन इनकंसिस्टेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये आपको याद रखना है डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए की वैल्यू. सो लेट वी सी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. x plus 2y is equals to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 3. So here, if we write down A, then A, what is A? The matrix which can be obtained by the coefficients of x and y. So here 1, 2, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो 1. So 1, 2. Here 2, 3. X is equals to x, y and b is equals to the constant, that is 2 and 3. Now, what is your determinant of A? 3 minus 4, that is equals to minus 1, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, system of equation is consistent. अगर आपको हम टेक्स्ट बुक के हिसाब से जाए तो हमारा आंसर यहाँ तक ही है, that system of equation is consistent. मगर कंसिस्टेंस है उसका मतलब क्या होगा कि सॉल्यूशन एग्जिस्ट करता है. सो ये हम एक्स्ट्रा कर रहे हैं. सो यूनिक सॉल्यूशन एग्जिस्ट. तो व्हाट इज योर सॉल्यूशन? x इज इक्वल्स टू a इनवर्स इंटू b. तो a इनवर्स इंटू b, तो पहले हमारे पास a है, तो लेट वी फाइंड आउट एडजॉइंट ऑफ a. 2/2, सो वेरी इजी टू फाइंड. जस्ट प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल इंटरचेंज, इट विल से 3, 1. And the subsidiary diagonal will be the negative. So minus 2 and minus 2. So what will be A inverse students? A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So let me find out this. So determinant of A क्या था हमारे पास? Yes, minus 1. So it is 1 upon minus 1 into adjoint of A. Take minus inside. So minus 3, 2, 2 and minus 1. So x is equals to A inverse into B. So this is your A inverse into B. Just multiply it and find the solution. Your solution is 0 and 1. So what we are getting? X is equals to 0, 1. X is equals to 0, 1. So what is x? Determinant xy. So xy is equals 0, 1. By comparing, you are getting x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. Student, ये method बहुत easy है और important भी. ओके, इन द एस्पेक्ट ऑफ योर बोर्ड एग्जाम. बोर्ड एग्जाम के रेफरेंस में पूछा जाए तो दिस टाइप ऑफ द मेथड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? फर्स्ट ओनली रिमेंबर द स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट राइट डाउन a, x and b. Then check determinant of A, it is non-zero. If it is non-zero, then unique solution exists. If solution exists, then solution is x is equals to A inverse into B. And then find out A inverse as we know how to find. And then find x into A inverse into B. So you will get the solution. X, Y. And if there are 3 equations, then x, y and z. So in this way, student, we can find the solution of given equations. Let me see one more question. That is, we are having question number 2. So what is your question number 2, students? 2x minus y is equals to 5. X plus y is equals to 4. And then a is equals to, what it will be? 2, 1, minus 1 and 1. 2, 1, minus 1 and 1. And x is equals to x, y, b is equals to 5, 4. So determinant of a will be 2 1s are 2, minus minus plus 1. That is equals to 3, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, unique solution exists. और अगर consistency पूछा तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Therefore, system of equation is consistent. राइट स्टूडेंट, अगर हमें कंसिस्टेंसी चेक करने के लिए पूछा है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? इट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, तो सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन इज कंसिस्टेंट. नाउ इट इज अ कंसिस्टेंस देयरफॉर यूनिक सॉल्यूशन एग्जिस्ट. तो यूनिक सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए हम एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ यू नो वेरी वेल कि 2x2 मैट्रिक्स का एडजॉइंट कैसे फाइंड करना है. अगेन प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल इंटरचेंज, देयर इज अ 2 1, तो हमने लिखा है 1 2, एंड इट इज 1 minus 1, सो इट विल बी चेंज द साइन. सो यहाँ पे -1 था तो माइनस ऑफ -1, सो इट इज +1. सो यू आर गेटिंग 1 1, एंड हियर 1, सो माइनस अगर अप्लाई कर रहे हैं आपको तो क्या होगा? इज -1 and 2. So like this. Now x is equals to a inverse into b. A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of a into adjoint of a into b. So 1/3 adjoint of a we have found into b. Just multiply students. So you are getting xy is equals to 3 1. So x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. So this is the solution of question number 2. I hope now you very well understood how to find out the inverse of the how to find out the solution of the linear equation with two variable. So let me see the third equation, student. Now question number 3 I am giving to you for the solution that you can check by yourself. Today we are starting with question number 4. So question number 4 is xyz is equals to 1, 2x 3y 2z is equals to 2, ax ay and 2az is equals to 4. So let me write a first. A is equals to 1 1 1, 2 3 2, a 2a. X is equals to x y z. B is equals to 1 2 and 4. So find out determinant of a, that will be a. कैसे find किया है हमने? First delete the row and the column. So you get 3 2s are 6 minus 2a. Then minus 1. Delete the row and the column, you get 2a and 2a. So क्या होगा ये? 2 2s are 4a minus 2a plus 1. Again delete this row and column, so we get this. So 2 into a, 2a minus 3a. So we are getting a. Now here a is an unknown value. क्वेश्चन में हमें a के ऊपर कोई कंडीशन नहीं गिवन है, तो हम लिखेंगे क्या? Here if a is equals to 0, then solution does not exist. Or we can say system of the equation is inconsistent. For a is not equals to 0, system of equation is consistent and unique solution exists. Now let me find out adjoint of a. तो adjoint of a अभी आपको पता है कैसे find करना है. So let me see the first column only, कि first column कैसे find किया है. So first column के लिए ये रहा आपका first element a1 1. तो क्या होगा यहाँ से? 3 2s are 6a minus 2a मतलब 4a. Now a1 2, तो सेकेंड एलिमेंट यहां से फाइंड करेंगे. डिलीट दिस रो एंड कॉलम. 2 2s are 4a minus 2a. So 4a minus 2a that is 2a. थर्ड यहां से फाइंड करेंगे 2a minus 3a, so minus a. Similarly a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 and a33. राइट. a21 के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड रो को डिलीट करेंगे. फिर फर्स्ट कॉलम फर्स्ट, so we get 1 1 a 2a. You can find, then you will get a. Then a22 is a and a23 is 0. So like this. Then students change the sign. So plus minus plus. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है? So here, sorry students, so change the sign. So here it will be minus a. a21 हम जब वापस से देख लेते हैं. a21 is here 2a minus a, that is a, and when we change the sign तो plus minus plus minus plus minus, so यहाँ पे plus ही आ रहा है, we are putting there minus, so minus a plus 0 पे no issue, then plus minus and plus. So this is our adjoint of a. Then find out the a inverse. So a inverse find x is equals to a inverse into b. So this is your 1 upon a into adjoint of a into 1 2 4. So here as minus 1, so क्या होगा ये? फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. So 4a minus 2a minus 4. So यहाँ पे 4a minus 2a that is 2a 6 की जगह पे क्या होगा 2a minus 4. 0, 4 minus a. So here your solution is 2a minus 4. So 2a minus 4, that is equals to here 2a minus 4 by a. So in this way student, we can check the find the solution of the system of the linear equation. So in this question we are stop here. Now in this question number 1 to 6, question number 4 तक हमने देखा है. I have not done question number 3, question number 5 and question number 6. So these 3 question I am giving to you for solution. You don't find out the solution of the equation student. You just check the consistency of the equations. So in the next class we will see the from question number 7 to so on, in which we will find the solution. So today we are stop here. Thank you and have a nice day.